Pomo Z1 has a new wireless earbuds with hybrid active noise cancellation, Bluetooth 5.2, app support, and 6 different equalizer sound effects. The price of the new earbuds is $69. By the way, there is also a light version of these earbuds without wireless charging support and active noise cancellation. The other features and specs of Pomo Z1 Lite are the same as Pomo Z1. I have wireless earbuds with active noise cancellation, and in this video we will test them. You are watching Tech Brothers YouTube channel, and let's get started. The box of the new earbuds looks quite simple. There is only Pomo logo on the front and the main features of the earbuds, such as ANC, dual mic, and low latency. On the back, we can read the specifications of the earbuds in different languages. When you open the box, you will find a charging case with earbuds inside, a nice pouch for carrying and storing the earbuds, USB Type-C charging cable, documentation, and extra ear tips of different size. By the way, there is a paper in the package with firmware upgrade guide. This is very interesting, and we will definitely upgrade the firmware to the latest version before testing the earbuds. You know, I have already tested Pomo earbuds that is called Pomo Nano. I was surprised by the design and comfort of that earbuds. I even said that it was the most comfortable TWS earbuds. The new Pomo Z1 also has a unique design. First, a charging case supports replaceable belts. On official website you can buy replaceable belts of white, black and gray sets. By the way, I have a black set, because the charging case and earbuds are black. Unfortunately, I don't have the belts, so I cannot show you how they look. Another feature of the charging case is a little tab on the right side. Actually, it is a light indicator that notifies about the battery level. At the bottom of charging case, there is only USB Type-C port. As you can see, the earbuds are not completely black. The central part is yellow. You know, I like Pomo earbuds because they have unique design. The previous Pomo Nano were the most comfortable earbuds that I have tested because of their ergonomic design. The new Pomo Z1 are not as comfortable as Pomo Nano, but they are also good. As you can see, the earbuds have replaceable silicone ear tips. Before using the earbuds, you need to choose the right ear tips: extra small, small, medium, or large. Also, Pomo Z1 earbuds have touch control panels. Let's talk about the control functions. There is a paper in the package with operations of the left and right earbuds, so we can pause the music with single tap on the touch button. We can also take the phone call with single tap. The double click on the left or right earbuds reject the phone call. Double click on the left earbud plays the previous song, and a double click on the right earbud switches to the next track. If you want to call a voice assistant on smartphone, and then press and hold the left earbud. Finally, long press on the right earbud changes the mode from normal, ANC, and transparency. By the way, you can change the control functions in the app on smartphone. I have already told you that Pomo Z1 earbuds have mobile app support. Let's take a look at it. The application is called Pomo, and I found it in the App Store without any problems. It is also available on Android devices. In the app we can see the battery level of the left and right earbuds. However, there is no battery indicator of the charging case. Then we can choose the mode from transparency, ANC on and ANC off. One of the main features of Pomo Z1 earbuds is EQ modes. There are 6 EQ modes available in the app, such as pop, normal, jazz, rock, vocal, and classic. We will talk about sound quality a little later in this video. The prompt tone is only English. We can also choose a gaming mode, close, low, and ultra low. I will choose the ultra low gaming mode, and later we will check the latency. As I said, you can change the control functions in the app. For that, go to Personal Settings. The last option in the app is Firmware Update. As you can see, I have the latest version 0.0.7.0. Okay, now we can go to the tests, and let's start with the latency. So the ultra low latency mode is turned on, and we can check the sound delay while playing videos on YouTube. As you can see, everything is fine. If we talk about latency in games, it is also minimal. In fact, the delay is almost unnoticeable. That's very good. Pamo Z1 have active noise cancellation, and we will talk about it a little later. However, also the new earbuds have environmental noise cancellation. This technology filters out background noise when you take a phone call on the earbuds. Let's check a microphone quality.
Hey guys, I'm testing the microphone of Pamo Z1 earbuds. As I already said, the earbuds have environmental noise cancellation, but I am in my studio now. However, I turned on the simulation of street noise on my computer, and you can still hear me well, right?
Talking about the sound quality of Pamo Z1, I think it is one of the best among the earbuds under $100. I like the sound quality because you can change the equalizer mode in the app, so you can listen to rock music and then you can choose rock EQ mode. The normal EQ mode has the most balanced sound between low, mid and high frequencies. By the way, I noticed that the deepest bass in classic mode. I think this mode is not suitable for listening to classic music but also rap. Talking about active noise cancellation, it really works when ANC mode is on. There is no street noise at all. The manufacturer says that ANC technology reduces the noise up to 40 dB. Finally, we can talk about battery life of Pamo Z1 earbuds. The manufacturer promises 6.5 hours playtime on a single charge. However, this is probably with ANC off. Using ANC, the battery life on a single charge will be about 4 hours. The charging case can be used 3 times to recharge the earbuds, so the total battery life of Pamo Z1 is about 24 hours. As I already said, Pamo Z1 supports wireless charging. If you want to buy Pamo Z1 Lite, these earbuds don't have wireless charging support. Pamo is not a very popular brand. You may have heard about it for the first time from this video. However, this company makes high-quality products that can compete with earbuds from Xiaomi, Samsung and even Apple. And this is one of the few companies that pays a lot of attention to design and comfort of their TWS earbuds. I know that ANC is not a big surprise for you, because there are even cheaper earbuds with active noise cancellation on the market. However, I think that app support and EQ modes are the more interesting features. By changing EQ modes, you can change the sound from the earbuds, increase or decrease the bass, make a vocal clear, etc. By the way, if you don't want active noise cancellation and wireless charging support, then you can buy Pamo Z1 Lite. They are $20 cheaper. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.